Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial for a equals to m to the 10th power and b equals to m to the 12th power. To solve this exercise, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square, the distributive property, and the rules of exponents for power of a product with 3 factors, product of 2 powers, and power of a power. First, I'm going to simplify this polynomial, and then I will substitute a with m to the 10th power and b with m to the 12th power. To simplify the first term of this expression, I need to apply the formula for binomial square. When I do that, this equals to a to the 10th power b to the 12th power x cubed in parentheses squared plus 2 times a to the 10th power b to the 12th power x cubed multiplied by y to the 5th power plus y to the 5th power in parentheses squared. Next, I need to apply the distributive property for the other two terms of this expression. In other words, I need to multiply the term in front of the parentheses with each term within the parentheses. I need to do that for the last term of this expression, and again multiply the term in front of the parentheses with each term within the parentheses. When I do that, this equals to 2a to the 10th power b to the 12th power x cubed y to the 5th power minus y to the 10th power minus a to the 20th power b to the 24th power x to the 6th power plus 6a squared b squared. When I simplify further and apply the rules of exponents, I get a to the 20th power b to the 24th power x to the 6th power plus 2a to the 10th b to the 12th x cubed y to the 5th plus y to the 10th power minus 2a to the 10th power b to the 12th x cubed y to the 5th minus y to the 10th power minus, I simply need to continue rewriting these terms, plus 6a squared b squared. What I notice here is that I have the same terms with opposite signs. So I have a to the 20th power b to the 24th x to the 6th power and negative a to the 20th b to the 24th x to the 6th power. The sum of these two terms equals to 0, therefore they cancel out. The same way, the sum of 2a to the 10th b to the 12th x cubed y to the 5th and negative 2a to the 10th b to the 12th x cubed y to the 5th, these two terms, they cancel out. And lastly, y to the 10th and negative y to the 10th also cancel out because their sum equals to 0. Therefore, what I have left is 6a squared b squared. As a next step, I can substitute a with m to the 10th power and b with m to the 12th power. And when I do that, I get 6 m to the 10th power squared multiplied by m to the 12th power squared. When I apply the rule of exponents for power of power, I get 6 m to the 20th power multiplied by m to the 24th power, and then simplify further and add the exponents. I get 6m to the 44th power. This can't be simplified further and is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching and learning. If you liked what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up by clicking the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on the videos displayed on the screen or subscribe to my channel to see more detailed math solutions.